Hey everyone, friends. This is Velour channel. Today I'll show how to get Robux in Please Donate. For this, go to any empty stand, click edit, and basically we need to add a donation button here. To do this, click edit. You can remove it, yes, and select the stand again. To add a game pass here, we need to go to Creator Hub in Roblox. That's right. Now copy this link. Paste it. Now we select the account we need. After that, we create our button here. Name it, yes, enter a description, then click Create Pass. So I just created it, click the three dots or just click on it directly. Click on Sales here. Now enable it, set a price, and click Save Changes. Then we return to Roblox. We set up a new stand. Yes? Oh, one sec. First remove the old one. But anyway, now. Here it is. Now we place the new stand, and here's my button. This has been Velour. See you all later.